Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. The Vadra Congress and the lobby that went into an overdrive calling the mob at Capitol Hill Bhakts. They said they were Bhakts, are completely red-faced today after a picture emerges that the man carrying an Indian flag at that event, if you can call it one, at that violence at the Capitol, is actually a great supporter of Congress MP Shashi Tharoor. Here is how that stereotype that the lobby wanted, forced since yesterday morning, has backfired on them. How they're all in pin drop silence now. And then we debate.
On January 7th, when India woke up to the news of the Capitol Hill siege, the sight of Indian tricolour at the riot site angered many Indians. BJP MP Varun Gandhi tweeted, and I quote, "Why is there an Indian flag there? This is one fight we definitely don't need to participate in." But some celebrated on how it was what they call one of the Bhakts. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor tweeted, and I quote, "Unfortunately, Varun Gandhi, there are some Indians with the same mentality as that Trumpist mob who enjoy using the flag as a weapon rather than a badge of pride, and denounce all who disagree with them as anti-nationals and traitors. That flag there is a warning to all of us." But the Bhakt-baiting lobby was in for a surprise when the history of the man who misused the tricolour became clear. Vincent Xavier, an Indian American, on May 16th was overjoyed when Shashi Tharoor won the elections, and he posted a picture of his lunch meeting with Tharoor from April 2015. The lobby that tried stereotyping the Bhakt has been left red-faced. Their attacks have backfired. Caught on the back foot, Shashi Tharoor tweeted, "Do you consider yourself responsible for the misguided actions of every well-wisher? I denounce any attempt to bring my country's beloved flag into a shameful American mob." While it is agreed that Tharoor can't be held liable for this, but by this logic, should any so-called misguided action of well-wisher be attributed to the Prime Minister? And can general sweeping statements and stereotypes be accepted? The hypocrisy has never been so clear. Let's debate.
Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.